Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from this developer, this one. Then choose Open. Over here you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now just I accept and adjust your wallpaper however you wish to in those wallpaper settings. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Apply to Home and Lock Screen. And now when I go back, I can set my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!